colors that shine. Mothers are planning, fathers design. Books in their backpacks, dreams in their eyes. Small hands are reaching right for the skies. We walk, Ethiopia rising, street by street. The future surprising, stone by stone. We build it together, side by side. We're stronger than ever. We walk, Ethiopia rising. From the fields to the skyline, from the river to the ridge. Every footstep is a lifeline. Every promise is a bridge. I feel the drum of tomorrow in the rhythm of this town. Every time our feet move forward, we lift each other off the ground.